best part of the meeting is the fact that all of the supervisors all have the same issues, and we can come together and discuss them and try to find out solutions to take back to our company.
Well, being that this is my second year of doing this, I'm starting to get a better grasp from the first time that I came. First time I thought it was a bunch of holding hands and just talking about love, but as I'm starting to really accept it and move into my role, I'm starting to really get the concept of where I should be moving to get a better communication, opening and closing with my techs, and just moving forward in that direction.